Hello, I'm Brad and we're here at the S&S Cycle Off-Road Division. We're in the UTV dyno cell and we're going to talk about installing the new Power Tune XTO exhaust on your Polaris RZR Turbo from 2016 to 2021. And a few things you're going to need to do this install is a 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, a ratchet extension, 13mm wrench, and a 10mm wrench, and a spring puller. And the first step is going to be to remove the 4 bolts for the rear muffler cover. The second step would be to remove the 3 nuts from the header pipe to the muffler. Our next step would be to remove the 2 springs that hold the stock muffler to the unit. And now we're ready to remove the stock muffler. The next step would be to remove this bracket and install the new Power Tune XTO bracket that we custom built just for this machine. And now removing the bracket. And installing the new Power Tune XTO custom bracket. The next step is to install your new Power Tune XTO exhaust. Just make sure you put them right back in the hangers there. I always do the driver's side one first, and then I raise the header pipe at the same time while putting it into the passenger side hanger bracket. I always like to put a little high temp anti-seize on the header studs before I put the nuts on. Next step would be to put the springs on the new Power Tune XTO exhaust. Next step would be to install the stock muffler cover on your unit. And that was the install of your Power Tune XTO on your RZR Turbo. Now we're going to fire it up and see how it sounds. That was the sound of the Power Tune XTO with the 1.5 inserts, which come stock on all of our mufflers. But we're going to go ahead and put the 2 1/4 in and see how it sounds. And that's how you install the Power Tune XTO muffler on your RZR Turbo. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Follow us on all of our social media channels. And for more product information, go to sscycle.com.